Hey, shalom, shalom, family. Welcome to the channel, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you are in the world. Here in Mauritius is morning time. It's about 9 o'clock. It's a beautiful morning. Woke up to the sun just shining, and now it's raining. This is the island life. This is the island life that for me, I would love for you guys to experience. So Mauritius is beautiful. I'm telling you guys, and I don't be saying this a lot, but this is something that you need to know about, right? Mauritius. Do your research. That's all I'm gonna say. Do your research. But all praise to the Most High always. I was just recording a video about trading and stuff. So all praises for that, for waking us up, for you guys viewing this video. So I just wanted to come on here to share my thoughts, right, guys? It's happening. It is really happening, right? It's happening. Everything is happening for a reason. Everything you have to take with a grain of salt. You have to understand. You have to break it down. You have to decode it to to understand it, to code what's to come. It is written. It's already written. Everything that's happening right now is for a reason. Do not be blinded. Do not close your eyes now, because you have to endure to the end. You have to, because the times that we're in right now, even me sometimes want to just feel like giving up, but you cannot give up. You really can't, because the time that we're in right now, the people that endure, the people that are living a abundant life, you know these are the people that the Most High has his hand on. These are the people that the Most High is allowing to accept that abundance life, right? To allow them to live this abundant life. So that's why I say Mauritius is great, guys. Do your research. But yes, guys, it's happening. And I'm talking about everything that's red right now. The stock market was down Friday, like crazy. Some stocks been hitting like crazy. Everything's been dipping, but it's been good news that's been happening. So if you know anything about the market in trading in general, when everybody is fearful, everybody's selling, it's time to buy. So um, even spiritually, we know that the time that we are in right now, this new year, this Passover season, this unleavened bread season, right? This season that should be abundant for you believers that trust in the Most High, that have their faith in the Most High, that allow the Most High to lead and guide them every day, right? This season here is very important. I'm telling you guys, you have to you have to endure to the end. You really do. You really have to endure to the end, because if you know the word, if you know scripture, Babylon is going to fall. America is going to fall. Although the U.S. president is making it seem like, oh, we're going to gain our strength back. We're going to be doing this and doing that, and we just sold 1,000 golden. Is it called golden passports? Something like that. Golden citizenships in a day, and we made this much money, and America's gonna be back. America's gonna be great again. No, that's not the fact. It's gonna look like that for a time, because this is just scripture. It's just scripture. It's just plain. It's gonna look like that for a time, and then destruction is gonna come. So me saying that, you really have to prepare. I know it's super bad now. I know it looks bad, but this is the time to buckle down. This is the time to really learn this skill set. Learn a new skill set. I'm not even talking about trading, but I'm a trader, so I really believe that if you really know this skill set, if you understand it, if you study it, um, you'll be good. And this just a new skill set to secure some finances for you, right? Um, so yeah, guys, like, look, Babylon's gonna fall, and there's something else that's gonna rise. So if you are behind the scenes of this something else that's gonna rise, you can benefit from the gains, the loose change that's going to be in the market, put it like that. So I'm coming on here. I just wanted to do this short little quick video to have you understand, to allow you to understand that even King David was like almost giving up at times, right? He was like, man, why do all these wicked people get thousands of dollars, make millions of dollars, but I'm over here struggling. I'm being righteous. I'm doing the right thing. Yes, you still have to. That's why I say you have to endure to the end. Keep doing the right thing. This is what the Most High needs to see. He needs to see sacrifice. How you are sacrificing what you desire and want, and you see this wicked person over here getting it, and it's like, man, like, dang. But that's not us, right? That's not us, right? So you have to know what time it is, because it is time, it is happening. But you have to be in the right position, you have to be in the right chair, you have to be in the right um mindset. You got to have your heart right, it got to be pure, and you just gotta increase in the word, because this time that we're in, guys, the people that know what I'm talking about knows. And for me, I don't like to be breaking stuff down. I say what I say, and I mean what I mean. And then whoever gets it, they get it, and whoever don't, be like confused. So I'm not confusing nobody. I'm not trying to confuse nobody. I'm just trying to talk to the chosen few that's going to get it. So, you know, it's all praises to the Most High always, guys. Make sure you like the video. Leave your comments below. Let me know if you are interested and learning a new skill set, because I do believe that this can benefit a lot of people in the long term, because this market stuff you can benefit from if it's going up or if it's going down, and pretty soon it's probably going to go down. So if you are in the right position, you know just benefit from it. So all praise to the Most High, guys. Here in Mauritius, they're building a lot. So I don't know if you guys hear that. I don't know if you guys been behind the scenes on our members channel, right? But guys, they're building a house over here to my left, and they're building a house over here across the street to my right, right? So I hope you guys heard me, because the mic just cut off. But yes, abundance is here, blessings is here, and you guys we want you guys to, have shalom and enjoy. So shalom, guys, shalom, peace.